Imagine you're exploring the sandy bottom of the ocean. Everything seems calm. You see small fish darting about and crabs scuttling sideways. But beneath the sand, something is watching. It's a face that looks like it was pulled from a monster movie, with eyes perched on the very top of its head, staring straight up at the water above. This bizarre creature is the stargazer, one of the ocean's most unusual and effective predators. Its name is perfect, isn't it? It spends its life buried up to its eyeballs, gazing at the stars, the shimmering surface of the water, and the unsuspecting prey swimming overhead. The stargazer's body is a marvel of strange adaptations. Its mouth is just as odd as its eyes, opening upwards in what looks like a permanent grumpy frown. This unique facial structure is no accident, it's a key part of its hunting strategy. While most fish have eyes on the sides of their heads and mouths at the front, the stargazer is built for a life of looking up. This allows it to remain completely hidden in the sand with only its face exposed, waiting patiently for a meal to swim into range. It's like a living trap, set and ready to spring at a moment's notice. To bury itself so effectively, the stargazer has a powerful, flattened body and large, shovel-like pectoral fins. These aren't just for swimming, they are expert digging tools. With a few quick wiggles and shimmies, the fish can disappear into the sand in a matter of seconds. It's an incredible disappearing act. Once it's settled, its mottled, sandy-colored skin provides the perfect camouflage, making it nearly impossible to spot. It might stay in one spot for hours, a testament to its incredible patience and dedication to the art of the ambush. It's a true specialist of the seafloor. This creature's strangeness doesn't end with its face. Its mouth is lined with fleshy bristles called cirri, which act like a sieve. When the stargazer is buried, these bristles interlock to keep sand out while still allowing it to breathe. It's a simple but brilliant solution to the problem of living underground in the ocean. This fish looks like a grumpy, bumpy rock, but every part of its body is perfectly designed for its unique lifestyle. It's a fantastic example of how animals evolve to fill a very specific role in their environment, even if it means looking a little monstrous. So, how does this buried monster catch its dinner? The stargazer is a master of the ambush. It doesn't chase its prey, it lets its prey come to it. Once a small fish or crustacean wanders too close, the stargazer explodes from its sandy hiding spot. With its massive mouth, it creates a powerful vacuum, sucking the unsuspecting victim in before it even knows what's happening. The entire attack is lightning fast, sometimes taking less than 150 milliseconds. It's one of the quickest strikes in the entire animal kingdom. There's no time to escape. One moment you're swimming along, the next your lunch. To make its trap even more enticing, some stargazer species have a secret weapon, a built-in fishing lure. A small worm-like tentacle dangles from the inside of its lower jaw. The stargazer wiggles this lure tantalizingly, making it look like a juicy worm wriggling in the sand. Curious fish swim in for a closer look, thinking they've found an easy meal. Instead, they swim right into the stargazer's waiting jaws. It's a clever trick that turns the hunter into the bait, a brilliant strategy that has served this fish for millions of years. It's a deadly game of deception played out on the ocean floor. But the tricks don't stop there. Stargazers have other ways to draw in their prey. They can use their gills to shoot out a jet of water, which stirs up the sand in a way that mimics a small critter digging for food. This little disturbance can be enough to attract a hungry predator, who then becomes the prey. They can even rotate one of their eyes independently, creating the illusion of a small creature moving just beneath the surface of the sand. It's a multi-layered approach to hunting that makes the stargazer an incredibly successful predator, using both physical lures and clever illusions. This fish isn't a picky eater either. Anything that is small enough to fit into its giant mouth is fair game. Its diet consists of small fish, crabs, shrimp, and even squid. By being a generalist predator, the stargazer plays an important role in its ecosystem, helping to control the populations of many different species. It's a key part of the food web, a hidden regulator lurking just beneath the surface. The stargazer's hunting methods are a powerful reminder that in nature things are not always as they seem. Patience and deception are just as deadly as speed and strength. Hunting is one thing, but how does a slow-moving, sand-dwelling fish protect itself from becoming someone else's dinner? The stargazer has a couple of very serious defenses up its sleeve, or rather, on its back. Behind its head, it has two large, sharp spines that are coated in venom. When threatened, the stargazer can erect these spines, turning itself into a painful mouthful for any predator that gets too close. These spines are used purely for defense, a clear warning to sharks, larger fish, or even curious humans to back off and leave it alone. The venom from a stargazer's spine can be quite nasty. While stings are not usually deadly to humans, they are incredibly painful and can cause significant swelling and discomfort. Fishermen who accidentally catch them in their nets have to be extremely careful when handling them. Interestingly, scientists have found it difficult to study the stargazer's venom because it seems to break down very quickly once it's removed from the fish. This mysterious, unstable compound adds another layer of intrigue to this already fascinating creature. It's a potent and personal defense system that demands respect from all who encounter it. As if venomous spines weren't enough, many stargazer species have another electrifying defense, the ability to produce an electric shock. They have special organs, developed from modified eye muscles located in a pouch right behind their eyes. When threatened, they can unleash a jolt of up to 50 volts. While this isn't as powerful as the shock from an electric eel, it's more than enough to stun a potential predator and give the stargazer a chance to escape. It's a surprising and effective way to say "don't mess with me." It's a truly shocking superpower. Scientists believe this electric ability is primarily for defense, not for hunting. However, they have observed stargazers emitting longer electrical pulses during spawning season. This suggests that the shocks might also be used to communicate with or locate potential mates in the murky water. Imagine sending out an electric hello to find a partner. From venomous spines to electric shocks, the stargazer is armed to the teeth, proving that even a creature that spends its life hiding has what it takes to survive in the competitive world of the ocean. The stargazer's list of bizarre talents continues to grow. Researchers have discovered that some species, like the one found in the Black Sea, can communicate using sound. They create low-frequency acoustic pulses, which are so low that they are just below the range of human hearing. It's thought that these deep, rumbling sounds might be used to stun prey at close range, disorienting them just before the stargazer strikes. These sounds may also serve as another way to attract mates, a deep-sea love song that vibrates through the water. It's another incredible adaptation that we are only just beginning to understand. Stargazers are found in shallow coastal waters all around the world, from temperate seas to tropical reefs. There are over 20 different species and they come in a variety of sizes. Some are quite small, only growing to about 15 centimeters long, while others can reach impressive lengths of nearly a meter. Imagine uncovering a 3-foot-long monster face staring up at you from the sand. Their widespread distribution and diversity show just how successful their unique body plan and lifestyle have been. They are a true evolutionary success story, thriving in a variety of marine environments. So while the stargazer might look like a scary sea monster with its grumpy face, venomous spines, and electric shocks, it's a vital part of its underwater community. As an effective predator, it helps maintain the balance of the ecosystem. Its strange and wonderful adaptations are a testament to the incredible creativity of evolution. This fish teaches us that survival can take many forms. You don't have to be the biggest or the fastest swimmer to be successful. Sometimes all it takes is a little patience, some clever camouflage, and a few shocking surprises. The stargazer reminds us that the ocean is still full of mysteries. There are creatures living just beneath the sand that are more bizarre and more fascinating than anything we could imagine. They challenge our ideas of what a fish should look like and how it should behave. By studying animals like the stargazer, we learn more about the endless ingenuity of nature and the importance of protecting these unique habitats. Every creature, no matter how strange, has a story to tell and a role to play. And the stargazer's story is truly one of the most electrifying in the sea.